Morning, everyone. So today we are going to be finding area. You've done so well this week at looking at perimeter and finding the length around a shape that we're going to find the length of the measurements of inside a shape now. So how could we work out exactly the size of the inside of this shape here? We call the size of the inside of a shape an area. So what could we do? We could use a grid and we could count the squares across the height going up, and we could count them of the breadth going across. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the breadth, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the height. So you do 4 times 7. 4 times 7, 28, and we do a little tiny 2 at the top to show that it's squared. Same for this lovely postcard. We could do another grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do 6 times 4, which would give us the answer of 24. And we'd write the small 2 at the top to show that it's 24 centimetres squared. So what would we do if we didn't have a grid? We just had measurements. So, for example, on this one, we've got 5 centimetres on the height and 3 centimetres on the breadth. So we could just times them together. That would give us the answer of 15 centimetres squared. So can you see what I mean when I'm referring to the small 2? Yeah? So the small 2 there, so we'd write 15 centimetres squared. So the formula to work it out, when we're working out area, we always do length times breadth. Let's do the length times breadth on these ones. We've got 5 times 5. So our answer would be 25 centimetres squared. Then we got 5 times 6. 5 sixes are 36, and we'd write the centimetres squared. And then we've got 2 times 6, which would give us the answer of 12. We'd write 12 centimetres squared. What about triangles? Triangles are the same because when we use squares or rectangles, we can always cut a square or a rectangle in half from corner to corner to give us a triangle. So you can see here, I've got 3 centimetres and 8 centimetres. Now that would be if this shape was extended and made into a rectangle, so across and down. Now a triangle is only half, so we are going to be halving or dividing by 2 at some point. So we would do 3 times 8, which would give us the answer of 24. And then we would just simply divide it by 2. And the answer would give us 12 centimetres. And I've done my little 2 there, it should be up there. Okay, squared. So if I had, for example, a triangle which was 2 by 6, so 2 centimetres there, 6 centimetres there, I would do 2 times 6 would be 12, and then I'd have to half it because it's a triangle, and that would give me the answer of 6. Okay, so good luck, guys, and I look forward to seeing all of your responses on Seesaw.